Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited because I finally went shopping for the first time since the pandemic started. I didn't go crazy, but I went into stores that I have not been in since like February, and I bought a little bit of stuff. So I wanted to do a haul. There's gonna be quite a few different stores included in this. I got some stuff from Walmart, from Michael's, Dollar Tree. What else do I have? A thrift store that we have here in Canada called Value Village. I think that is it. Yes, I think that is it. And also I want to preface this by saying really quickly, my kid is outside with his dad screaming, and on the other side, that's in the backyard, and then on the other side I've got road work been going on like right outside my house. So I apologize if the noise level gets crazy at some points. Just trying to do the best I can. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on into the video. I'm so excited. I finally went shopping. And the reason that I decided to do it now is because cases have been really low in my province. But my province has started opening up, and since then the cases are slowly starting to rise. Like, we were at a point where we were having 1-2 cases a day, sometimes 0 cases a day, and now we're having like 10 cases a day. Like, it depends on the day, but it's starting to go up. So I kind of figured, like, if I want to do any shopping in the next few months, because if it starts getting like crazy again, I'm not going to be out shopping. So I figured if I want to do any shopping in the next couple months, I better do it now while the cases are low. So let's start off with what I picked up at Dollar Tree. So the first thing that I got is this little laundry sign. It's so cute. It's a laundry guide, and it shows you what all of those little symbols on your clothing tags means. So I'm going to stick this downstairs. Eventually, at some point, I would love to redo my laundry room. Like, it's just completely unfinished right now, and it's a storage room. So I would love to eventually get that finished and like actually decorate in there. And I just thought, like, for this, for $1.25, I just saw it there and I thought, heck, I'm going to grab it now. Even if I don't end up redoing my laundry room for like years, I'll have this whenever I do decide to do it. Next, I picked up 12 of these picture frames. They are 8x10 frames. They just have like a brown frame around them. And I actually got these for Holden's room. In the next little while, we will be redoing Holden's bedroom. We are turning our old office into Holden's room, and then Holden's room is going to become the new baby's nursery. So I'm planning to do a train theme in his room, and my boyfriend works for the railroad. So every year they send him a calendar of trains, and Holden is obsessed with this calendar. So I figured, like, all the pictures of the trains are so beautiful. So I figured I was just gonna do that for his wall art. I'm just gonna take apart that calendar and frame all the pictures of the trains, and I think that will look so good. Next, I actually picked up a few books for him, and I kind of made a mistake. These were supposed to stay at my parents' house. I picked these up for him to have there because he didn't have enough books there. So when we were reading at night, there wasn't enough. So I got this one about pirates, and then on the farm, animals on the farm. And then I got these 3 books that are kind of like, that tell like lessons. So this one is Keep Trying, and it teaches kids that you're supposed to keep trying if things aren't going your way. This one is Say Please, and this one is Say Sorry. So I'm gonna need to set these aside and make sure I take them back to my parents' house when we go the next time, just so that he has some more books there, because we have tons of books here, obviously. The next thing I got was just these little ear swabs for babies. So they have like a pointed end at the top, and then it kind of gets thicker towards the bottom so that you can't put the cotton swab like too far in the baby's ear. So they're perfect for cleaning baby's ears and Holden's ears. And the next thing I got was 6 of these containers. So I have been using these. I already got 6 of them, but I needed 6 more. I'm going to be using them in the nursery to organize the clothing from like all the months. So because I didn't do that with Holden, and I just found it got crazy in there. So I'm going to organize this new baby's closet a little bit better than I had with Holden. I picked up 6 more of these because I ran out of the ones that I had. So that was what I got at the Dollar Tree. Let's move on to Michael's. I did not get a whole lot at Michael's, but they did have a pretty good sale on all of their summer toys. So I was able to pick up all of these huge bubble wands for Holden. He loves these because he's still a little bit too young to like figure out blowing through and like getting the bubbles going really well. But with these, he just like waves it around and the bubbles come out. So he really loves these. So I picked up one in every color. I got 5 of them. They were only, I think they were 88 cents each. So really good deal for those. And then I also picked up this giant bubble solution because bubbles are life when you're 3. So you can never have too many bubbles. And the last thing that I picked up at Michael's was the stickers for my planner. I have a, the Happy Planner, I have one of those. And I picked up these stickers. This is goals. So it just shows, let's see if I can come close to you guys. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah, so there's all different kind of stickers in regards to setting goals, all that kind of thing. So I just thought it'd be kind of a cute way to spruce up my planner a little bit with some stickers. Okay, so next we are going to be looking at what I picked up at Indigo, which is a Canadian, I think it's the Canadian version of Barnes & Noble. As far as I can tell, Barnes & Noble and Indigo are the same company, I think. Don't quote me on it. But they had a ton of books on sale there, and I got these for the new baby, and they were on sale for $2 each. So this one is Park, and it shows like all the different things at the park. And then this one is Mommy and Baby Jungle. So it shows different jungle animals. There we go. Yeah. So those were only $2 a piece. The next thing that I picked up was $6, and this is a book by Madeleine Roux called House of Furies. I'm not going to go into the synopsis. If you guys do want to see more about these books that I picked up, please do check out my BookTube channel. I have another channel where I talk exclusively about books, and after I'm finished filming here, I'm going to go over and film a haul over there and show you guys all the books that I picked up recently. I have a ton. It's going to be a big haul. So if you're interested in reading and you want to know more about the books I picked up lately, go ahead over there, because this will be on there and I will talk more about what it's about. But this one is called House of Furies, and this one is called We Were Liars by E. Lockhart, and this one was also $6. So I got some awesome deals. So next is the couple of items that I picked up at Walmart. And first I got these little Spider-Man undies for Holden. They were so cute. He's starting to get into Spider-Man because my boyfriend was playing a Spider-Man video game a couple of months ago. And ever since then, he's been into Spider-Man. He doesn't really know anything about Spider-Man, but he talks about Spider-Man all the time. So I picked these up because he's in need of some bigger undies. And the last thing I picked up there was these pants, these sweatpants in the army print from Walmart. They were only $20, and they are so comfy and cozy. And I think I'm probably gonna live in them after my baby comes in November. I think they're gonna be perfect because, you know, it's winter. There's gonna be snow on the ground. I'm gonna be wanting to live in sweatpants after I have a baby. Why wouldn't I? The last store that we're going to talk about is Value Village, and I picked up some clothes for both Holden as well as new baby, and I picked up some books there too. So we'll start off with the books and end with the clothes. So the first book that I got is by Paul Tremblay, and it is called Cabin at the End of the World, and this one sounded really good. I'm a huge thriller / horror reader, so most of the books I end up picking up is from there. All right guys, I apologize if the angle or anything changed. I had to run outside for a second. Hopefully it's all good. Anyways, so the last few items that I picked up at Value Village were the kids' clothes. So I got this t-shirt for Holden, for not right now obviously, try and buy a little bit bigger. And this is, I think it's a Volcom one. Nope, not at all, Shaun White. Anyways, it was $2.49, really cute. And next I got this little swim shirt for him because the one that he has is really small. So I picked this one up, and it was $5.99, so it was more of an expensive purchase, but he really needed one, and I can't find them anywhere right now. So that's the thing about stores, is that they're always like a season ahead. So if you need something for summer, in the middle of summer, you're SOL. And all the rest of the clothes are for new baby when the new baby comes, and they're all different sizes. What they had there was they had like a grab bag, where if you like filled up, they had like small, medium, or large bag, and I think I took the medium one, which was I think $5.99. So, and you just, whatever you could fit in it, you got to keep. So I got this little pair of shorts. So cute. This is a 6-month from Carter's, and they have little sunglasses on. They are so adorable. Then I got this little terry cloth onesie, and it's got like a little tiger on it, a little tiger on the bum, and little tiger on the feet. I tried to get some more warmer onesies. This is Carter's 3 months. Because my kids are going to be born like opposite times. Holden was born in May, so in the spring, and this next baby is going to be born at the end of November, so in the winter. So all of my clothes, like I have all Holden's old clothes, but they're all like opposite. Does that make sense? So I might have to end up buying a lot of things, even though I still like have all my boys' clothes. It's a thing, you guys. Next, I have this little onesie, and it says handsome little fella, and it's 3 months Carter's brand. I got this little I think it's 3 to 6 months. Yeah, 3 to 6 months. This is the Disney brand. It's got Mickey Mouse on it, and it is a fleece little onesie. Will be perfect for the winter. You guys, look at this little vest. I cannot take it. This is a year-old little vest. It's from Carter's, and it says Mommy's Big Guy on it. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then once again from Carter's, so this is the Oshkosh Bagosh, and this is 9 months, little pants, little sweatpants. You guys, I just can't with kids' clothes. They are so cute. I just can't take it. Last couple things are this little pair of shorts. I don't know what brand this is. It's been completely cut out, but I think, like, it looks probably like a 6 months, and they're just little black and white striped shorts. And then I got this little boo thing for Halloween, which baby won't be here by Halloween, God willing. I hope he doesn't come early. Holden came 5 weeks early, and my due date is November 25th. So I really hope that this baby does not come early like Holden did, because that was scary. He had to spend time in the NICU, and it was a whole thing. You guys, Holden is coming in right now, so I'm trying to wrap this up. The last thing is this Mums Hugs Best, and it is Carter's 3 months. And then I'm just realizing that I forgot to do the rest of my books that I picked up, so I'm going to go get him changed, and then I will come back and finish with the rest of the books. Okay, you guys, like, this has just been, trying to film this has been a nightmare. I've been interrupted so many times. Anyways, after I got back from my last interruption, I realized I didn't finish talking about the books that I got. So the last things we're going to finish talking about is the books that I picked up. So I talked about the first book. But basically, my local thrift store, they do a thing where if you buy 4, you get the 5th one free. So I picked up these, and if you are over on my BookTube channel at all, you will know that I have been for the last couple of years collecting books like from when I was young. And so I picked up, they had all of these R.L. Stine Fear Street books. Oh my goodness. So I picked up The Confession, Bad Dreams, The Sleepwalker, and One Evil Summer. So very excited to have these. All right, you guys, so that pretty much concludes the end of my little shopping haul. Like I said, I was so excited to actually like get out and shop. I don't think I'll be doing it again for a while, so I wanted to haul what I had to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have these stores where you're from. I know in Canada we have so many different stores that people in the US and in the UK don't have, and I think a lot of my viewers are from the UK, so I'd be interested to know if you have any of these stores where you're from. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.